Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a practical mindset, calm, focused, and time-aware. First, spend 30-45 seconds scanning the passage to register topic, tone, and structure. This orients your expectations. Once done, underline names, dates, definitions, and signal words so important details pop when you read. Meanwhile, glance at the questions to frame your reading. This primes you to find answers efficiently. Make sure to note question types, so you allocate time for inference versus exact loc. You now read actively. Summarize each 2 to 3 sentences in your head so ideas stay organized. While reading, mark cause and effect, contrasts, and author conclusions with consistent symbols. This saves search time later. Once you finish a paragraph, link it to any question stems you skimmed earlier. This mapping reduces blind rereads. If a question requires inference, combine the marked facts with the author's tone and purpose to build the answer logically and avoid trap choices. You finish by answering in a strategic order. Handle straightforward factual questions first to lock-in points, then tackle vocabulary and context, and finally inference items. For each inference, state the premise you found and then articulate the logical step to your chosen answer so you can justify it quickly. Once done, allow 30-60 seconds per uncertain item to recheck the passage alignment. If a conflict remains, choose the option that directly reflects the passage wording. Troubleshoot. When stuck, eliminate any choices that contradict explicit text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.